Good afternoon, students. In this video today, we'll discuss the concept of implementation of a linear list into 2D matrix. Means a linear list will be converted into a matrix. One pattern I have shown you by which the linear list is converted into matrix. The process is the total number of elements which are given here 5. So the matrix will be of 5 into 5. The elements of the linear list will be placed in the matrix with a pattern, a declared pattern or a logical pattern, and the places in which the elements will not be placed will be filled by 0. As in this pattern it is shown, the elements of linear list are placed one by one in increasing order in the matrix. Rest of the places which are not filled by the elements are filled by 0. In this video, we'll now learn how to create these type of pattern, how to create a matrix which is created by the linear list. The linear list is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I'm telling you, the code is working with the addresses. The logics are created through the addresses of the matrix. Here the size of the matrix is fixed. The size of the matrix will be the size of the linear list. The linear list is having the size 5. So the matrix will be created as 5 into 5. The pattern of the matrix is given as shown here. So we'll write the pattern again. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At this pattern, we'll create the matrix here. The addresses will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and addresses 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the rows represented through I, and these are the columns represented by J. Now, I'm writing the code here. A function (1D to 2D) I have written, in which the linear list is passed. L is the variable in which I have taken the length of the linear list. One list is declared here as matrix. As I told you, the loop will be rotated by the length of the linear list, as the matrix, the size of the matrix will be the size of the linear list. This list is created for inner elements. This is the matrix created of L into L size. Here in this loop, if I greater than equals to J, I have written a logic. We will discuss this logic here in this matrix. So row dot append LST of J, else row dot append 0. Mat dot append row. The whole row which is created is appended into the matrix there. And finally, we'll return the matrix. So this whole is the function shown here. I told you we'll discuss this condition. Look at the placement. Here in this matrix, this is I and J. The value of I becomes 0 initially, and loop J will rotate up to the size of linear list. The size of linear list is 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The logic is placed I greater than equals to J. I is never greater than equals to J here, but never greater than the J, but equals to in one situation at first value. So when equals to situation is true, the J value, J means 0 value from the linear list is transferred into the row, inner row. The value of row will be 1. In any other case, here in first rotation 0 is not greater than or equals to J. So all 4 cases else part will be executed. So zeros will be placed. This list will be appended into matrix. A list created here at this place. This process we have discussed earlier in the previous videos. In the second case, when the value of I becomes 1, so J will rotate again 5 times. Here in this case, I is greater than 0 and equal to 1. So 2 values from the list, linear list, will be transferred. 0, 1 and 2. In rest 3 cases, the condition is false. So zeros will be placed. When I becomes 2, so 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in 3 cases the values will be transferred. So here 1, 2, 3, 0, 0. In the same case 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. And in last 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the values are in the range of the condition given, I greater than equals to J. So all the values will be placed here. As I told you in the previous video, this is not the pattern created. This is the pattern shown. Basically, the nested list will be created as 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, like this. And this list, this nested list will be shown in the form of matrix by using the concept we have discussed earlier. So this whole is the process by which we can convert a linear list into 2D matrix. The code, look at the code once again. I am showing you. L is the length, mat is the matrix, loop is rotated up to the length of linear list. The matrix will be the size of list, linear list given. If 5 the size, the 5 into 5 matrix will be given. The condition is I greater than equals to J. We have to create the logics according to the situations, according to the addresses placed. Because in the address, at the all positions where I is greater than or equal to J, the values are placed, else zeros are placed. So accordingly, we place the logic. Inner list is created and the inner list is appended into the main list. So this is the way by which we can convert a linear list into the same sized matrix.